Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to take a look at Gravis Finance, which has been talked about widely across the crypto community, and I wanted to take a closer look for you guys at home. Gravis Finance is where the play to earn game Evervoid came from, as well as having a Gmart marketplace for NFTs and a decentralized exchange. As with every video I make, none of this is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your money. Without further ado then, let's jump into today's video. So jumping over to the Gravis Finance website, which there's a link for down below in the description, so make sure you come and check it out after this video. You can see that it covers a variety of different things, guys. The Gmart NFT marketplace, which is one of the first marketplaces focusing solely on in-game assets. As well as that, you've got Gmart on your mobile, allowing for quick purchasing, convenience, obviously being able to shop, etc. for NFTs on the go. In addition to that, we've got GSwap, which is tools for successful crypto trading, offering various trading tips and tools, and as well as that, liquidity pools, migration, and much more. And we'll dive into all of these different aspects as we work our way through the website and find out more about Gravis Finance. So you're probably wondering, what is so special about Gravis compared to all of the other platforms out there? Well, it's the fact that Gravis combines all of these different aspects into one centralized place, and it's all accessible through your mobile. All of the ecosystem runs on GRVS and GRVX tokens, which can be used to trade for the different games, etc., as well as the NFTs on the platform. And then they can all be swapped through the GSwap platform as well, giving you access to many different features. Okay, so Evervoid, the play-to-earn game, build, fight, explore, free play-to-earn NFT-based MMO strategy game. As you can see, it's based in space, on sort of a sci-fi action game type thing. It allows you to do lots of cool things like terraform your land, expand your building grounds to place more constructions of your choice, build your base, populate, flatten part of your lands with various types of buildings, and get resources, unit, and other stuff from them. And expand your domain, venture on different missions with your fleet of ships and drones, research and craft new equipment, join a clan, and establish dominion over whole sectors. Okay, so that's just pretty cool, guys. Loads of different features available, and you can always trade different parts, different aspects of your game through Gmart. As I mentioned before, Gmart was the first NFT marketplace where you could trade different game assets. Other platforms have subsequently taken on that task and started to recreate similar things to what Gmart has done, but not in such a succinct way. Trade everything on Gmart, specifically designed for in-game assets. Marketplace supports all kinds of Evervoid cards. NFT lands, your land state is saved as an NFT, which can be freely traded upon reaching certain progress levels. As you know, with NFTs, NFT gaming is really taking off at the moment, or play-to-earn gaming is absolutely blowing up this year. If you own things like land within an NFT metaverse or within the metaverse of a gaming platform, and that game explodes, then you yourself can really benefit from holding these lands. So real potential there as well. And of course, play to earn, you can spend it on evolving your land, and the more expensive therefore it becomes, and therefore it becomes a tradable asset. So you're actually not just investing in improving your gameplay, but you're also investing in potentially good returns further down the line if you can create awesome kind of lands and experiences for other people. And there's different land available, guys, so you might not want to be investing straight away. There's free lands available, as well as premium lands, which are obviously paid for. The free land issued free of charge for registration to absolutely everyone, but can be sold with a certain level is reached. So basically you can get involved for free, and by playing more and more you can develop it, and then you can sell it on for some money, which is where the play to earn aspect comes from, and the fact that you can get started for free is really appealing. Okay, so obviously the premium lands offer a bit more with ability to sell immediately. They're also located in more important or more interesting areas like inhabited areas, and also they are a source of premium resources. They can be bought primary sale or premium plots on the secondary market on Gmart. So kind of the same with NFTs, you can either buy them at mint or they can be basically bought later on from other people. The game is based on a time management strategy, with each game taking part with real life time. But as well, you can accelerate your time and improve your kind of stats and building by paying in GRVS tokens, which allows you obviously some premium results that you can get and premium benefits. By finding loot boxes, you can find new equipment, etc. that can be traded and sold on, or just used for improving your own land space. As you can see from the game trailer, there's some pretty cool graphics going on here. You can come over and watch the whole trailer if you want after the video. There's a link down in the description, as you already know. By playing through the game, you can improve your level. Basically, you can join different clans. You can join other people all around the world by playing this game. And very, very soon, this is going to be available on the mobile as well as on desktop. Jumping over to Gmart, then you can see that there's lots of different games, etc. that are available, and you can trade in between all of those games, buying different assets, etc. You get instant access through the launchpad to new games, as well as being able to buy games on the secondary market. This is the best place to be trading Evervoid NFTs, which I've already mentioned have great potential coming up in the year with crypto gaming, etc. expanding, and that game having more and more potential as it goes onto the mobile and web platforms. As you can see at the moment, there's Binance Smart Chain and Polygon variants, but they're also going to be adding Avalanche and a few others throughout the year. Also, everything through here has to be know your customer. So what that means basically is everyone has to apply and be approved before they can get their NFTs and games onto the platform. That way you don't end up with tons and tons of stuff on there that might not be any good or a bit of rubbish like you might get over on OpenSea NFT exchange, although there's obviously some cool stuff over on OpenSea as well. But just so you know, all of this has to have been approved to be able to be onto the platform, which obviously gives us a bit of top cover and is very good for the development of the platform over time. Okay, so jumping over to the DEX, you can see that you can trade various different tokens, and there's also things like farming and other things that you can earn a passive income. You can earn up to 200% annual return on investments in the farming, which is obviously really, really awesome and definitely worth taking a look at. By staking GRVS tokens, you also get reduced fees on your exchanges, which means you can buy and sell your cryptos through the year as they all fluctuate, and you can get the best out of the cryptocurrency market during this bull run, or the bull run that is literally about to start right now for Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptos. As you can see, there's a built-in ERC20 multi-chain which allows you to buy and sell NFTs through this way. As well, by clicking on the exchange, you can see the farming, the pools, migration, multi-chain bridge, and DEX analytics. Clicking on the farms then, guys, which can be found in the tab on the left through the exchange, then you can see that these are the different pairs and stuff that you can use to yield farm. Annual percentage returns 121%, 174%, 65%. These are all awesome rates of return. They have a bit of liquidity, but they will only grow as the time goes on. And that shows that we could have a potentially very trustworthy and very exciting way to be able to earn a passive income. And crypto is all about increasing our wealth through whichever way we can. So by following the link for the website down below, you can get Gravis Finance mobile wallet. You can download it through either Google Play or the App Store. And as you can see, secure innovation solution for storing, receiving, sending, and exchanging crypto assets using a smartphone. So that's crypto assets, not just crypto coins. You can hold NFTs, maybe you can hold some land within the metaverse, etc. It's basically an all-in-one app that does all of these different things. I haven't really seen anything else like it on the market at the moment. Touching on the roadmap, which is always important to check out when you're hearing about new products. So currently we're in Q2 2022. You can see that there's lots of evolution happening in the Evervoid game with various space races mission, premium land-based sales, free-to-play model design and integration, G-swaps also bringing in the auto farming, new network supports, etc. And there's going to be various upgrades on the Gmart with NFT Launchpad, auto listing, and NFT order books, etc. Moving into Q3, you can see that there's going to be even more happening on the Evervoid game evolution, with new version demos being available to play and second premium land batch sales. So not only can you get the opportunity to buy premium land, and if you perhaps miss the premium land sales now, there's always going to be more opportunities to buy premium land in the future. So there's also going to be improvements in G-swaps analytics. Always very key to pay attention to analytics when investing in crypto, because you can use other people's experience and knowledge to make yourself some good gains. As you can see, Q3 is pretty much where most of the development's going to go on. Q4 and into Q1 2022, there will be continuous upgrades for Evervoid, but Q4 is when we will see G-swap and Gmart basically entering into their final versions. There will obviously be improvements as time goes on, but this is obviously when they aim to complete those various features and when everything should be working swimmingly. By owning some of the governance token, then you get access to being able to make a difference on how the platform evolves, not just through Evervoid game, but through the Gmart and the G-swap as well. And as well as that, you'll get other rewards and benefits. For example, in the game, it'll allow you to sell different types of land, also the sale of your skins and ships, etc., captains and lands. And you can also buy items to create and grow your land, with access to special events and locations, so loads of cool stuff within the game if you hold the governance token. As well as that, in Gmart you can stake GRVS, and if you have 5,000 you'll get 25% fee discount, and if you get up to 150,000 tokens you'll get 100% fee discount. So if you are trading crypto quite heavily, this could be a really great way of reducing your fees and increasing your profitability over the year. In GSwap you'll also get a swap fee discount, bridge fee discount, and by unstaking from farming and auto farming you'll also get fee discounts, etc. So you can see there's lots of benefits in owning the governance token. Looking into the tokenomics, you can see that there's 150 million GRVS in supply currently on the Binance Smart Chain, but they're also going to evolve onto the Polygon Smart Chain as well. 25% of these are going to be in the ecosystem, 21.3% in reserve, 20% held by the team, and then token sales, liquidity airdrops, advisors and partners. So always looking out for airdrops, guys. Could be a good way to be able to earn some tokens for free, and everyone loves free money, obviously. And the GRVX rather than the GRVS, which is the governance token, the GRVX is the utility token, which can be used in Evervoid game and GSwap, construction of buildings and improvements in the Evervoid game, required to participate in new missions, buying loot boxes, ship and drone mission rewards, and then in GSwap it can be used as a bridge token, payment of NFT bridges, rewards for staking, farming and auto farming. And as you've probably seen in other gaming tokens such as Gala, etc. last year, they absolutely exploded, guys. So gaming tokens, in my opinion, are good places to invest money because there's some good opportunity coming up as play to earn games, etc. get more and more hyped. And looking at the GRVS IDO, 20th to 30th of March, so ongoing right now, you can see that there's different ways in which you can go and buy the token through various different launch pads, which are all listed here. Coming over to the website, you can find out more information as well. And what's cool as well is the GRVS INO, which is offering the NFTs, will be launching on the 1st of April, and the different prices here you can see for different types of pools, obviously different rewards. If you buy the more expensive ones, you'll get better rewards, as you could expect in any NFT projects that you're buying. Jumping down, you can see that the team all have taken on kind of different sci-fi type names, but you can see all of the different positions they have covered. They're all represented by the different kind of NFT pictures as well. And if you want to go and own some NFT art, and this is what you do, guys. Come across here and you can own NFT art that looks a bit like this. Kind of unique and interesting from an NFT perspective. So come over and take a look at these. Coming over to the Twitter, guys, you can see that this is a reasonably well-built Twitter with 23,000 followers. They have loads of opportunities to go and win some different prizes. Lots of information about their IDOs coming up and some various features from their in-game play, which you can come and take a look at after this video. Overall, Gravis Finance is a really interesting site. It's got loads and loads of interesting features like play to earn games, NFTs and exchanges, as well as yield farming and much, much more. Make sure you come and check out the website, which is linked down below after this video. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Guys, if you're interested in crypto and you want to learn more about crypto, how you can make money from crypto and how you can enjoy your time doing it, then make sure you subscribe to Crypto Gems to be kept up to date with the latest happening in the cryptocurrency market. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.